so we got our new truck, Pure Muscle. He's a new truck. So let's check the on the back. Alright. His name is Pure Muscle. His type of truck is pickup. His strength is raw V8 power. His crash attack is strong arm scramble. Alright. There's Pure Muscle. He's a cool truck. Whoa. That looks so cool. It has the turquoise and purple body, and it has the white frame, and it has the black chassis, and it has the black wheels and purple rims. Actually, it has the black and purple rims, but that's it.